Hi, Advanced Algebra 2 students. This is our week 2 video. This week is our test week for Unit 7, Exponentials and Logs. So I'm going to walk you through how the test is going to work this week and a few other details for you. So here we go. Click on your Advanced Algebra 2 class in Google Classroom. Go to Classwork. And you now have areas for you to submit assignments. So let's click on the same remote learning schedule and see what we're submitting this week. So we're done with week 1. That's why it's grayed out. Now we're into week 2, our check test week. So what you're going to do with this Wednesday this week is submit your worksheet 7 homework packet to Google Assignment. Also on Wednesday by 3 p.m. you have to take the test, which is on Google Calendar, by printing the test. It's a PDF, or writing on scrap paper, and then you're going to submit pictures of your work to Google Assignments. The reason I'm having you submit both of these, the worksheet 7 homework and the test, onto Google Assignment is because on Friday you're going to review the test feedback that I give you right on Google Assignment, and then you're going to complete a survey. So let me show you how to submit on Google Assignment. Here's your class. I want to submit the homework packet. I'm going to click on that assignment. It says, please submit pictures of your worksheet 7 homework packet using the plus, add, or create button, and then click the mark as done tab. So if you view the assignment, you click add or create, and then it pulls up the folders, either from your Google Drive if you've saved the pictures there, a link if you saved it on your Google Drive and you have it like a PDF link, or a file straight from your computer. Okay, once you add that assignment, then you're going to click mark as done, and then I'll be able to see your worksheet 7 homework packet. Go back to the class and look at your test. It says please print this test. If you don't have printer access, you can just write on a separate sheet of paper. There's only 9 questions. Answer each question with a calculator. No other resources, please. I know you have notes and the internet and other people and all that good stuff, but don't use any other resources, please. Submit pictures with your test, again using that add or create button, and click the mark as done tab. So this grade is only going to be averaged with your other quizzes from Unit 7 if it helps your overall grade in this class. So if this test lowers your overall grade, then I won't weight it in the gradebook. I'll put it in the gradebook for you, and then I'll press the exempt button so it won't lower your current grade from where you're at. Let me know if that doesn't make sense to you. So you're going to click on that PDF, and there's your test. Print it or write it on a separate sheet of paper, and then if you click on View Assignment, you'll be able to add pictures of your test to me. Make sure you click Mark as Done. Please, please, please mark as done so that I can see it and give you feedback. If you have any questions on any of this or anything else, just let me know. I miss you guys, and I hope you're all doing well. Bye.